Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get and use the Gemini AI API key. This step-by-step guide will make it super easy for you to get started with Gemini AI. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open any web browser on your PC. Once you are in the search bar, type Gemini AI API. Once you type in, hit the enter button. When you hit the enter, multiple results will appear. And then from the results, you'll see a link that says AI. Google.dev. It is probably a first link. When you find it, click on it. This is the official website for the Gemini AI API. Once you're on the Gemini AI website, make sure you're signed in with your Google account. If you haven't signed in yet, you'll see a sign in option at the top right corner. Go ahead and sign in. After signing in, you'll see an option that says Learn more about the Gemini API. Click on this option. And after that, you will see another options that says Get API Key in Google AI Studio. Simply click on this option. When you click on it, after some loading, you'll be redirected to the Google AI Studio page. Once you are there, here, you'll see multiple options at the left side of the screen. There is a Get API Key option. It is a first option. Click on it. When you click on it, you will see that an option will appear that says Create API Key. Click on Create API Key to proceed. When you click on it, a small format will appear. In the format, you'll see two options. If you don't have an existing Google Cloud project, you can directly create an API key. But if you already have a project, like I do, you'll see it in the search bar. Simply click on the search bar, and your existing project will appear. Just click on your existing project. And after that, click on Create API Key in Existing Project. And after some loading, your API key will be generated. And you can simply copy it by clicking on the copy button. This is your Gemini AI API key. If at any point you feel your API key has been compromised, you can easily delete it. Just click on the delete or trash icon option. And your API key will be deleted. And you can create a new API key from scratch. That's it. You've successfully created your Gemini AI API key. You can now integrate this key into your applications and start using Gemini AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.